Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by rinsing and preparing the hair. Use warm water to open the cuticle so products penetrate. Once wet, detangle with fingers or a wide-tooth comb to prevent breakage. Apply a nickel-and-a-quarter size of shampoo to your palms, rub to emulsify, then place at the roots. Focus on the scalp where oil accumulates. Make sure to massage with your fingertips in circular motions to lift dirt and sebum. Avoid harsh nails. Rinse thoroughly until the water runs clear. You now focus on thorough cleansing without damaging mid-lengths and ends. Once the first lather is rinsed, evaluate oil and buildup. Repeat shampoo only if necessary, because over-cleansing strips moisture. When you reapply, concentrate shampoo on the scalp and gently let foam travel down the hair. Do not pile hair on top of your head. After the final rinse, use a brief cool water rinse to help temporarily seal the cuticle, which improves shine and reduces frizz as you prepare for conditioner. You apply conditioner focusing on mid-lengths and ends, where hair needs moisture most. For fine hair, keep product away from the scalp to avoid weighing it down. Once applied, detangle gently with fingers or a wide-tooth comb so the conditioner distributes evenly. Leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes depending on porosity. Rinse with cool to lukewarm water and squeeze excess water gently. If hair feels limp or excessively dry later, use a targeted protein or moisture mask once a week to restore balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.